Hey guys! Oh my gosh, I can't now. Hi guys! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got this. Oh my god, I am so grateful. I love this. I love this package so much. Oh my god. This package is packaging is from my aunt. She lives in Hanoi, and if you know Hanoi, or the capital city of Vietnam. So this I already cut the tape, so I just opened this. Oh my god, this is just a sneak peek. I'll give you a little sneak peek. Here it is, like so colorful. So guys, let's get started into the package. The first thing here are a bunch of clothes. So pretty. So I'm going to show you. The first one are this one, this short shirt jeans. I call it like that. Who call it a different way? So it got just strings. Like we put it in here. Oh, we did it for you, see. And this is how it looks where you finish it. And it's kind of cute for wearing going to beach playing. Really cute. Really nice. The next one. The next one I got are the skirts with the shirt on it. That really cute. It's like a grayish pink color. Yeah. And I got this skirt, real long, with a cut right there. I got a crop top. It's easy to go to the beach. Sorry for that, people. And I got this one. This black crop top too. So onto the package. Oh my gosh! Like she just going to Japan back, and she just going to the Let's Play. Guys, you already know my nickname is Christine, and to the surprise, I got a K on it. I hope you can see, but it's really hard to guys see. Do you like see the K on it? I hope you can see it. Oh my gosh, like so hard. Plus I make. See it? Yes. Now, we can see it now. Sees it. First, then the first eggs are so adorable. Oh my gosh. Look at this girl. I don't know what this is made from, but so tiny. So cute. I will hang this on my bags. Oh, it got two-faced. How beautiful. Nasty frames. How beautiful is this? Like, I really like this color. And the door go out. So the next eggs is is this strawberry with a keychain. The next thing here, oh, I really like fruit, so this bag is huge. I will cut it. I don't know what. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Cut it. Oh my goodness. Oh. There's a lot of it here. I know this. I really like this. So the first things are this onion snack. So airy. I'm sorry for a hole, but I hope you can see. Because outside got a lot of people, so I don't want it to come in here. Both of this are the same, but the text is so very the same. The flavor is different. This is vegetable and that's onions. And she gave me a box of Tic Tacs. I really like Tic Tacs. I would eat them for you guys to see. So guys, I know I life hacks. This life hack I got it's from my aunt, and which is shaking like that before we open it. When you open it, see, you eat it. We don't have to like cover too much. Yeah, I hope you can try with that. So here's the Tic Tacs. The next one I got here are packaging scripts. So there is the grape flavor, the peach flavor, the apple flavor, and the orange flavor. Any shape is like this shell. Seashell. So the next package, the last package. Thank you. Oh my gosh. How, look here at the bag. Let's open it. I'll get you a sneak peek. This is not my tooth. This is the Tic Tac. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love you, ants. Stop for me, stop. Guys, look at this. Like, will you give you a view? So, look, it's starting to be packaged. And here's the package. Oh. Okay. The first thing are this. Oh my gosh. I just think it's just a notebooks. It says the My Melody. Sticky notes? Yes. That's a sticky note. And I know it. I don't know where it's open. Oh, here. I touched it. It's so smooth. It's so long. It's super long. The next one are this baby girl, sticky note, bookmarks sticker. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. And I really like this. The picture that I really like are this girl. Girl. Oh my gosh, like a mini books on papers. The next one I got are this pen. Color you up. Oh my gosh, it didn't stick anything, son. I will have to clean this. I'm like, cut. No, cut. It's cut my hair. The last thing are this notebooks. They say nature is east 2012, designed by Joy Top. More simple, more Joy Top Productions. And here's this. It's on point. I remember Joyce Bushy got this too. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down so I can make a lot of videos. So yes, bye guys.